$10,000 a month from a faceless YouTube channel. That's the number. And before your eyes glaze over and you assume this is another hype video with fake screenshots, let me tell you exactly how I'm going to approach this. Because the number is real, the method is real, and I'm going to give you the actual breakdown, including the parts that weren't free, the parts that took longer than expected, and the one mistake I made early that cost me about 3 months of momentum. I'm Stickman Matt. I'm not going to stand here and tell you this was easy, because it wasn't. What I am going to tell you is that it was systematic, and systems are replicable, which means if I did it, you can do it too, as long as you're willing to follow the actual path instead of the shortcut version. Let's start at the beginning, because the beginning is where most people get it wrong. The niche decision took me longer than everything else combined, and that sounds like a small thing, but it's actually the most important decision you'll make in this whole process, because your niche determines your CPM, which is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views, your content lifespan, how long each video stays relevant, and your competitive landscape, how hard it is to rank and get recommended. I ended up in the YouTube growth and creator education space, specifically focused on faceless channel strategy and AI tools, high CPM, evergreen content, an audience that actually takes action. Those three factors together are what made the $10,000 number possible. If I had chosen a lower CPM niche with the same view count, I might have made $2,000 a month instead. Same amount of work, completely different financial outcome. This is why niche selection is not just a content decision, it's a business decision. Now, what was actually free? The scripting research came from VidAI, and yes, that has a subscription cost, but I'm including it under the tools that more than paid for themselves within the first 60 days. The voiceover came from 11 Labs, which has a free tier that I used for the first 8 videos before upgrading. The editing happened in CapCut, which is free. The visuals came from Pexels and Pixabay, which are both free. The thumbnails came from Canva, which has a free tier that covers everything a faceless channel needs at the start. So the only real upfront cost was time. And the time cost for the first month was significant, roughly 4 to 5 hours per video across 2 videos a week. That's 8 to 10 hours a week, not passive, not automated, just consistent, focused work on a system that was designed to compound. Here's what the growth actually looked like. Month 1, 240 views total, 0 revenue, 41 subscribers. Painful. I almost stopped twice. Month 2, 800 views, still below monetization threshold, but I could see certain videos starting to get search traction. Month 3, 4,000 views. One video hit 800 views on its own. The algorithm was starting to understand my channel. Month 4, 14,000 views, hit 1,000 subscribers, applied for monetization. Month 5, 22,000 views, got monetized. First month of revenue was about $80. Month 6, 31,000 views, $340. Month 7, 68,000 views from one video that broke out. $800, that's when things started to feel different. One video got pushed into browse recommendations and stayed there for 3 weeks. That single video added 400 subscribers and pulled people into older content on the channel. By month 10, I was at 200,000 monthly views and the revenue had crossed the $10,000 mark when you combined ad revenue, affiliate commissions from the AI tools I was recommending, and a small sponsorship from a software company in my niche. The things that mattered most in getting there were not the things I expected. The biggest driver was building topical authority. Every video I made reinforced the channel's identity in the algorithm's model. The second biggest driver was improving my hooks. Looking back at my first 20 videos, the hooks were too slow and too safe. When I started opening with a specific surprising claim or a relatable scenario that immediately made the viewer think, that's exactly my problem, my average view duration jumped almost immediately. The third driver was patience. Month 4 felt like failure. Month 7 looked like failure from the outside, but the compound curve was building under the surface, and when it broke fast. Now, if you wanted to discover how I run faceless channels like this and make them into a full business, check out this video next to me, which is a full free course for doing it. I go over the new way of running faceless channels right now on YouTube. See you there. What month of your channel journey are you at right now? Drop it in the comments. I want to see where people are and what they're dealing with.